A closed Walmart MoneyCard support ticket does not always mean your issue was resolved, but it does mean you need to check the status and take the correct next step. By the end, you'll know what a closed support ticket can mean, how to check your issue details, and what information to prepare if you need to contact Walmart MoneyCard support again. The first thing to check is the reason your ticket was closed. A support request can be closed because the issue was answered, because more information was needed, or because the request reached the end of the support process. The ticket status alone does not explain the full situation. Start by reviewing any messages connected to the ticket. Look for the response, instructions, or requested information from Walmart MoneyCard support. If the response explains a solution, follow those steps before opening another request. If your problem is still happening, collect the details related to the issue before contacting support again. Include the type of problem when it happened, what steps you already tried, and any error messages you receive. The second step is checking your account information. Make sure the details you provide match your Walmart MoneyCard account information. Accurate information helps support teams understand the issue without needing extra clarification. The third step is choosing the right support method. Use the official Walmart MoneyCard support channels to request help and avoid sharing account details through unofficial websites or messages. Some common issues require specific account verification before support can make changes or provide information. Having your account details and issue history ready can make the conversation easier. If a ticket was closed before your problem was fixed, avoid creating multiple requests with the same information. Instead, explain that the previous ticket was closed and provide the previous issue details so support can understand the history. Keep a record of your ticket number, support responses, and dates of contact. These details help you track what happened if you need additional assistance. The main points are simple. A closed ticket does not always explain the final outcome, so review the support response first. Prepare complete information before contacting support again. Keep your ticket details organized so you can explain the situation clearly. Your next step is to check the closed ticket message and identify whether it contains a solution or requires another support request. If this guide helped you understand Walmart MoneyCard support tickets, like the video and subscribe for more customer support guides.